Are you having problems with your Duolingo animation not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I closed my Duolingo app, and instead I actually went into the App Store. So I went into the App Store because I have an iPhone, but if you have an Android, you're just going to go into the Google Play Store instead, because it's going to be the exact same step-by-step guide if you have an iPhone or if you have an Android. But you just have to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. Besides that, it's going to be the exact same thing. And in here, you're just going to search now for Duolingo. Search for Duolingo in here. Scroll down and click on the Duolingo app, and as you can see, I have this blue button in here where it says open, right? But if it says something like update for you, for example, then it's very important that you actually click on it, because it means that you currently don't have the latest update for your Duolingo app, and you need to be able to get it to be able to try to fix this bug. So before, I actually had, instead of open, I had an update button. I clicked on it, then I went back into the Duolingo app, and now the animations was actually working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.